In this video, we are going to create our own encyclopedia, okay, using 4 lines of Python code, just 4 lines of Python code, okay. So I am using PyCharm, so I have created a Python file given the name encyclopedia in Python, okay. So you can just give the name here, click on the Python file, it will create. Now let's go ahead with our program. So first thing is we need to import the package. So the package name itself is Wikipedia. Okay, this is a very powerful package to play around with Wikipedia. So if I search for Wikipedia Python package, let's go on pypy.org, which is the official website to get all the Python packages. Pip install Wikipedia, copy the package, go to your terminal and right click and click on paste and then press enter. Since I have already installed the Wikipedia package, I don't need to install it again. The second way to install is go to File, Settings, go within the project Python interpreter, click on the plus icon, search for this package or any package in fact if you want to install, and click on the install package button. Okay, since I have already installed, I'm not going to. Okay, so we have imported the Wikipedia library. Now we have to send our query. So let me give the variable name as query and let me take the user input for this. Okay, so enter your query. All right, enter your query. So we are taking the query from the user, and for that query we are going to search on the Wikipedia and we are going to display the result. Now Wikipedia dot, and we have the method summary method, okay, and within the summary method we are going to pass the query. Also we are going to specify how many sentences we want. Let's say 4 sentences we want around this query. Okay, so it has to, this program bot has to search on Wikipedia whatever the query we enter on the runtime, and it is going to fetch 4 sentences of detail around that query. And finally, let me store into some variable so that we can print. So let me put it on a result variable and let's print also. So let me print the result variable. So that's all the program. It is just containing 4 lines of code. Let me save this and run this. So enter your query. So let me give the query as Microsoft. We can give any query, Microsoft. Now it will go to the Google and it will fetch Wikipedia. It will go to the Wikipedia. In fact, it will search for this keyword Microsoft, and it will give us 4 sentences of detail around it. So you can see Microsoft Corporation is an American multinational technology corporation which produces and so on and so forth, right? So this is the detail we have got. Now if I open Wikipedia and search for Microsoft, so Wikipedia, okay, and if I search for the keyword Microsoft and press enter, now you see the same details has been fetched here, right? So the Wikipedia is containing these details, and these details has been fetched by our program and shown on the console. Right now with this detail we can do a lot of things like fetching more information as per our requirement, putting into an Excel sheet or not Excel sheet, Word document or on Google Doc. We can convert into audio using our Python libraries, and we can create an audio book for that and we can place somewhere. So this is the very basic program to search a query on Wikipedia and get the result. We can do a lot around this, and even in fact you can go to this pypy.org and you can go to see a lot of details over here. Also you can go to the documentation on this package Wikipedia, and you can do a lot of things. Okay, so if you are new to this channel, I'll request you to subscribe to this channel because I will be uploading multiple videos. And if you are interested in some topic, please post on this comment for the topic you want me to create the videos. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. Let's see in the next video.